Sometimes learner fear to speak. I am saying take listening process. After 10 or 12 months, automatically you can speak. No need to hesitate. And you will get fearless. You will achieve strong confidence. That time, directly you can communicate with anybody. That time, if you start talking, continue, you can talk with anybody. You can check it alone. You can take anything. I am giving an example. Here, I have a pen. I am describing something. After 10 months, if you want to check you can speak or not. You can see by yourself. This is ballpoint pen. Its color is blue. Written color also blue. It is use and throw pen. Here have written company name Ogni 2020. Backside have a blue color knob. Its length 6 to 7 inch and its cap is length approximate 1 inch. I bought this pen from market. I took one packet. It's hold 20 pieces in a packet. So I told something about the pen. Maybe it's 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can take anything, camera or book or exercise book or some colorful box. You can say about the thing and you will see if you take 5 things, automatically 30 minutes you can speak without hesitate, without any fear, with confidence, spontaneously you can speak. Also, with anybody you can try. No need to prior test. After 12 months, automatically your brain will fulfill a huge number of sentences. Automatically come out English sentence from your mouth. Okay? Thank you very much for this video. Watch my another video. Follow the process. Keep your confidence level very, very strong. Achieve the goal. After that, quit it. You will not lose your confidence level ever in your entire life.